Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 2026 Honda CB100, a lightweight and stylish street bike that's perfect for new riders, city commuting, and anyone who loves simplicity with a fun ride. Design and style. The 2026 Honda CB100 comes with clean, minimalistic lines and a retro-inspired aesthetic that still feels modern. Its compact fuel tank, rounded headlight, and upright stance make it approachable for riders of all ages. The overall design strikes a great balance between classic charm and contemporary appeal. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the CB100 is powered by a refined 100 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth throttle response and strong low-speed torque. This setup isn't about raw power, it's about efficiency, predictable performance, and confidence in everyday riding situations. Whether hopping through traffic or cruising quiet roads, the engine delivers enough punch to keep the ride engaging. Chassis and handling. The lightweight frame and low center of gravity make the CB100 incredibly easy to maneuver, especially in urban environments. Suspension is tuned for comfort and control, absorbing bumps effectively and offering stable handling at lower speeds. Brake feel is reassuring and predictable, ideal for beginner riders. Comfort and practicality. Ergonomics are rider-friendly with a relaxed seating position, comfortable foot peg placement, and a narrow profile that makes stopping and starting in traffic effortless. The CB100's simplicity extends to low maintenance needs and excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal daily commuter or first bike. Technology and features. While basic, the 2026 CB100 includes essential modern touches like efficient LED lighting, a clear analog/digital instrument panel, and quality build materials. Honda focuses on reliability and durability rather than flashy tech. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CB100 may be small, but it packs practical performance, classic stylish.